Hello. Thank you so much, teachers, for your remote learning creativity, your remote learning outside the box lessons, your ability to sort of change your lessons on the fly in Q4 so our children can keep learning. I know that we don't know what teaching and the next year is going to look like and what our classrooms are going to look like. So I am helping teachers in my school district as well as some surrounding school districts with some really easy tips and tricks to make their videos for next year and for remote learning into the future a little bit easier. One of the tricks and tips that I am going to teach you, I'm using right now. And it is a filter. It is an app. It's free. It's called B612. And it's a preset for a filter for your face and lighting. So it helps you just jump on when you need to make a video and make it quickly without moving your camera around and without getting into a full face of makeup. And if you need to create a video on the fly, the presets are there. So all you do is just boop, hit record, and you can record yourself, make the video without figuring out where is your best light, setting up your computer, and really understanding, okay, how is this video going to look? It takes all of that stress out, and then you can just concentrate on the content. So I love this app. It is really fantastic. I give it 2 thumbs up, highly recommend it, and I can't wait to tell you my next awesome tip, which is a new video editing software that I found that is only $13 a month and well worth it. Can't wait to show that to you. That's going to come up next.